You've got $100, and right now you're thinking about one thing: passive income. Making money while you sleep, earning without working, letting your money work for you. It sounds perfect, almost too perfect, because everywhere you look, people are saying the same thing. Build passive income, escape the 9 to 5, make money automatically. And with just $100, it feels like you're one smart move away from something big. But here's the truth no one tells you. Most people who try to build passive income with $100 don't build income, they lose it. Not because passive income doesn't work, but because they start the wrong way. They rush, they chase, they expect results too fast, and that's exactly what destroys beginners. So before you invest that $100, before you try anything, you need to understand something most people ignore. Passive income is not about doing nothing. It's about doing the right work first so you don't have to work later. Let me say that again. You don't skip the work, you shift it. And with only $100, you don't have the luxury to skip effort. Which means, if you're looking for easy money, you're already going the wrong direction. Now imagine this. Two people, both have $100. Both want passive income. The first person goes online, searches how to make passive income fast. They find flashy videos, earn $500 per day, zero effort income, guaranteed returns. They get excited. They pick something quickly. Crypto staking, random apps, online schemes. They invest their $100, and then they wait. Nothing happens. Or worse, they lose it. Now the second person, same $100, same goal, but they do something different. They slow down. They ask, what can $100 realistically do? And that question changes everything. Because here's the truth, $100 is not for income, it's for building a system. Once you understand that, everything becomes clearer. So instead of chasing passive income directly, you build something that creates it. Now let's break down what actually works. There are three real paths, and none of them are instant. First path, investing. This is what most people think of: stocks, ETFs, index funds. It's stable, it's proven. But let's be honest, $100 is not going to generate real income here. You might earn a few dollars, maybe less, but that's not the point. The point is learning, understanding how markets move, how money grows, how patience works. Because once you build that understanding, you can scale it. Second path, digital assets. This is where things start to get interesting. Instead of investing money into something, you invest into building something: a YouTube channel, a blog, a digital product, something that can pay you later. Your $100 goes into tools, basic editing, learning skills. Then you build one video, then another, then another. At first, nothing happens. No views, no money. But then, slowly, something changes. One video gets attention, then another. And suddenly, you've built something that keeps working even when you're not. That's passive income. Not instant, but real. Third path, skill investment. This is the one most people ignore. Use your $100 to learn something valuable: editing, copywriting, marketing. Because skills create income first. And once you have income, you can turn it into passive income. But most people try to skip this. They want passive income without active effort. That's why they fail. Now let's talk about mistakes, because avoiding mistakes is more important than chasing opportunities. Mistake number one, chasing fast money. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Mistake number two, putting all $100 in one place. Never do this. Split it. Learn from different things. Mistake number three, quitting too early. This is the biggest one. Passive income takes time, weeks, months, sometimes longer. But most people quit in days because they expect instant results. Now, think about this. If you can't grow $100 properly, what makes you think you'll handle $1,000 or $10,000? Money doesn't change people, it exposes them. So if you build bad habits now, more money will only make it worse. But if you build discipline now, more money will multiply it. That's why this step matters. It's not about the money, it's about who you become. Because once you understand how to create value, money follows. And when money follows, passive income becomes natural, not forced, not risky, but consistent. So don't rush this. Don't chase hype. Don't look for shortcuts. Use that $100 wisely. Because it's not just money, it's your starting point. And what you build with it will decide everything that comes next.